What's up, Gangy? It's Gang of Lunch.
Let's start over.
What's up, Gang of Lunch? Yeah! Where are we going today?
Oh, we're going to a car meet. I don't know where exactly it is.
Fit check.
All right.
What?
So,
Turn around. Go ahead.
Ready?
Yeah.
All right, go ahead.
Fit check. So fly, make you I'm joking.
Bitch, I'm burning up. Call a fire truck, they say I'm heating up.
You look white.
What did he say?
What you had ordered, Kiri?
No, let me do it. I ordered a fruity booty. Eat it up.
Cause she's. That's why you can't take black food nowhere.
Stop rocking back and forth.
Turn the chair.
Make sure.
Hey, you just did
That
it.
wasn't me.
She ordered a fruity booty.
Hopefully it's good. Tastes like fruity.
Booty.
Fruity booty. I'm all dressed out. Hurting of you. Y'all give me some money. I'm real poor. Don't stop me. I'm real poor. I'm trying to sing for money, okay? I'm not that. What do you want me to sing? What do you want me to sing? Little baby, I got you.
No.
Oh no.
What you got, bro?
It's just like booty.
That's how your fruity booty look?
Let me try.
More cars are coming up.
Are y'all ready? Mix it around.
It look like you got
Good
mango.
boy. It's not. Throw that back in the store. I'm playing.
She's gonna get smashed.
Me on the other hand, I like ice.
Hey, bro, you wanted these? Take these.
My fruity.
I don't know why you wanted that.
Fruity booty eaters. Fruity booty eaters.
Whoa.
Wait, eaters?
Ah.